everyone. I am CA Somal Singh and welcome to my channel. This is the first short video of my new series, NRI Taxation Simplified, where I'll explain one concept at a time in simple language so that you understand not just what the law says, but also why it says so. In this one, we'll begin with the most basic but important question. Who can India actually tax? Does it depend upon your passport, your citizenship or your stay in India? Let's find out. बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि इंडिया सिर्फ अपने सिटीजन्स को क्यों नहीं टैक्स करता, मतलब जिनके पास इंडियन पासपोर्ट है या जो यहाँ परमानेंटली रहते हैं। ये बात सुनने में भी फेयर लगती है, लेकिन रियलिटी में इंडियन टैक्स लॉ बिल्कुल ऐसे काम नहीं करता। इंडिया को आपके पासपोर्ट से कोई मतलब नहीं है। इंडिया बस एक चीज देखता है फ्रॉम टैक्स पर्सपेक्टिव। आपने एक फाइनेंशियल ईयर यानी स्टार्टिंग विद अप्रैल एंड एंडिंग विद मार्च इंडिया में आपने कितने डेज स्पेंड करे। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? एक इंडियन सिटीजन जिसके पास इंडियन पासपोर्ट है, अगर उसने इंडिया में सर्टेन स्पेसिफाइड नंबर ऑफ डेज स्पेंड नहीं किए एक फाइनेंशियल ईयर में, तो वो नॉन रेजिडेंट बन जाता है। और वहीं एक फॉरेन नेशनल जिसका पासपोर्ट भी इंडियन नहीं है, अगर उसने स्पेसिफाइड नंबर ऑफ डेज से ज्यादा इंडिया में स्पेंड करे तो उसको रेजिडेंट मान लिया जाएगा। सोचने वाली बात है ना? यहाँ नेशनैलिटी मैटर ही नहीं करती, बस आपकी फिजिकल प्रेजेंस काउंट होती है। ये कॉन्सेप्ट एक छोटी सी एनालॉजी से समझते हैं। इंडिया को एक क्लब समझ लो। क्लब को ये नहीं देखना कि आप कहाँ के हो या आपका पासपोर्ट क्या है। क्लब सिर्फ ये देख रहा है कि आप कितनी बार उसका गेट क्रॉस करके अंदर आए हो। अगर आप बार बार आ रहे हो और स्पेसिफाइड थ्रेशोल्ड क्रॉस कर लिया तो क्लब बोलेगा अब तुम मेरे फुल मेंबर हो। सो टू समराइज, टैक्सेबिलिटी in India is not dependent on citizenships and passports. Rather, it depends on fulfillment of residency conditions. Those conditions are based on number of days spent in India in a financial year. So, on fulfillment of the residency threshold day, a person becomes a resident, otherwise stays a non-resident. At this point, you might be wondering, okay, I got that residency and citizenship are different. But what exactly does that mean in real life? So let's discuss some of the most common questions and confusions people have at this stage in the form of quick FAQs. These will help you connect the dots between citizenship, residency, and identity. So let's quickly start with question number 1. Who exactly is an Indian citizen and how is that different from being an Indian resident? बहुत लोग दोनों को सेम समझ लेते हैं, but they're actually quite different. An Indian citizen is someone holds an Indian passport and is legally recognized as a citizen of India under the Citizenship Act 1955. On the other hand, an Indian resident is someone who has spent a certain number of days in India during a financial year, regardless of which passport they hold. So a person can be an Indian citizen and still be a non-resident, as we just discussed above. And similarly, a foreign citizen can become a resident in India for tax purposes if they spend enough days here. So in short, citizenship is your legal belonging to a country and residency is your physical presence in a country. Question number 2, which is an Indian citizen different from an overseas citizen of India? OCI. The answer is yes, very different. An OCI, Overseas Citizen of India, is not an Indian citizen. They are foreign nationals who either were once Indian citizens or have Indian roots, as in parents or grandparents were born in India. They hold a foreign passport but get a lifelong visa to live and work in India. They also enjoy many privileges like buying properties, except agricultural land, and staying in India indefinitely. But they cannot vote, hold government jobs, or get an Indian passport. So remember, OCI is not equivalent to an Indian citizen. They are only citizens in the name of convenience, not as per law. If you want a separate video about Indian citizens and OCIs, I can create that. Just pop a question in the comments below so I know it. Question number 3 is, does India issue a citizenship card to its citizens? The answer is no. India doesn't have a single citizen card. There's no one document that officially declares you are a citizen of India. The strongest proof of Indian citizenship is your passport. In some cases, like when someone becomes citizen by registration or naturalization, the government issues a citizenship certificate. But for most people born in India, there's no separate card. Let's move to the last question. Question number 4. Are documents like Aadhaar, PAN card, and passport are proof of citizenship? Let's break it down simply. First, let's start with passport. This is the only document that directly proves Indian citizenship because it's issued only to Indian citizens. Next, moving to Aadhaar. Aadhaar is the proof of identity and residence, but not of citizenship. Even a foreign national who has lived in India for more than 182 days can get one. What about PAN? PAN card is the proof of tax registration. It's issued to anyone earning income in India. Even NRIs or foreign nationals can obtain PAN if they earn income from India. So Aadhaar or PAN doesn't prove you are an Indian citizen. They only prove who you are and where you live. So this ends our discussion. In the next video, we'll go one step deeper and understand what it really means to be a resident or a non-resident for tax purposes in India. Please make sure to press the bell icon for this. If you liked the video, do press the like button and do share and subscribe with your family and friends. I am CA Somal Singh signing off. See you in the next one. Bye.